Managing diabetes can feel like walking a tightrope, especially when it comes to food choices. Grains in particular get a bad reputation for spiking blood sugar. But what if I told you there are grains that not only taste amazing, but also help lower your blood sugar? Yes, they exist, and today we're counting down the top 8 best grains for diabetics. But first, let's get one thing straight. Not all grains are created equal. Some are packed with fiber, nutrients, and slow-digesting carbs that are a diabetic's best friend. Others? Well, they're like sneaky saboteurs you'll want to avoid. So grab your notebook, get comfy, and stick around, because number 1 on this list is an under-the-radar superstar that might just blow your mind. Ready? Let's jump in. Number 8. Quinoa. Quinoa isn't just a trendy superfood, it's a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a permanent spot in your pantry. What makes quinoa so special? For starters, it's a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a perfect choice for diabetics looking to maintain stable blood sugar and muscle health. It's also gluten-free, which is great if you're managing sensitivities. But there's more to quinoa than just protein. This ancient grain is loaded with dietary fiber, which slows down the digestion of carbohydrates. In simple terms, that means fewer blood sugar spikes and more sustained energy throughout the day. On top of that, it's packed with magnesium, an essential mineral that helps your body use insulin more effectively. Not sure how to use quinoa? The possibilities are endless. You can add it to salads, use it as a base for grain bowls, or even substitute it for rice in your favorite recipes. Feeling adventurous? Try making quinoa porridge for breakfast or baking it into healthy snack bars. With its mild nutty flavor and incredible versatility, quinoa is the superstar grain your body will thank you for. Number 7. Barley. If you're looking for a grain that works overtime to keep your blood sugar in check, barley might just be your new best friend. This ancient grain is packed with beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that not only slows digestion, but also helps lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. And it's not just great for managing diabetes. Barley also supports heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol levels. It's like a multitasking superhero for your body. Here's another perk. Barley has a low glycemic index. That means it releases energy slowly, keeping you fuller for longer and preventing those dreaded sugar spikes. Plus, it's rich in essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium, selenium, and B vitamins, which support overall metabolic health. Not sure how to include barley in your meals? Start with hearty barley soups or stews. It's a classic for a reason. You can also use it in grain salads, risottos, or even as a side dish instead of rice. Just a heads up, opt for hulled barley instead of pearled barley. The hulled version retains its nutrient-rich outer layer, giving you maximum health benefits. With its chewy texture and nutty flavor, barley is a comforting, satisfying, and incredibly nutritious choice for anyone managing diabetes. Give it a try. You might just fall in love with this underrated grain. Number 6. Oats. When it comes to comforting, blood sugar-friendly grains, oats are a true classic, and for good reason. This humble grain is loaded with beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract. This slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, helping to keep blood sugar levels steady. Plus, it can improve insulin sensitivity over time, which is a win-win for diabetics. But oats don't just stop there. They're also packed with key nutrients like magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus, all of which play a role in metabolic health. As a bonus, oats are great for your heart, as their fiber content helps reduce bad cholesterol levels. It's no wonder they've been a breakfast staple for centuries. Not all oats are created equal, though. If you're managing diabetes, opt for steel-cut oats or rolled oats instead of instant varieties. Steel-cut oats are the least processed, giving them a lower glycemic index and more staying power. If you're pressed for time, overnight oats made with rolled oats are a convenient and delicious option. Feeling creative? Oats can do more than just breakfast. Try blending them into smoothies, baking them into healthy cookies, or using oat flour in pancakes. With their creamy texture and endless versatility, oats are a wholesome grain that's easy to love and even easier to enjoy. Number 5. Brown rice. If you've been hesitant about rice as a diabetic, brown rice is here to ease your worries. Unlike its heavily processed cousin, white rice, brown rice retains its nutrient-rich bran and germ layers. This makes it a whole grain powerhouse, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that work to stabilize your blood sugar. What makes brown rice particularly diabetes-friendly is its lower glycemic index. Its natural fiber content slows digestion, providing a steady release of glucose into your bloodstream and helping to prevent those blood sugar spikes. On top of that, it's rich in magnesium, a mineral known for improving insulin sensitivity, a crucial factor in diabetes management. But brown rice isn't just nutritious, it's also incredibly versatile. It pairs beautifully with stir-fries, curries, grilled proteins, or as the base for grain bowls. You can even use it in soups or casseroles for a hearty touch. And if you're feeling adventurous, try mixing it with other grains like quinoa or wild rice for added texture and flavor. With its nutty taste, chewy texture, and health benefits, brown rice proves that managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on comforting, wholesome grains. It's time to make the switch and enjoy rice the smarter way. Number 4. Buckwheat. Don't let the name fool you. Buckwheat has nothing to do with wheat. In fact, it's not even a grain but a seed, making it a fantastic gluten-free option for anyone managing diabetes. Packed with complex carbohydrates and an impressive amount of fiber, buckwheat helps slow the digestion process, leading to steady blood sugar levels throughout the day. What truly sets buckwheat apart is its richness in magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in improving how your body uses insulin. It's also high in antioxidants like rutin, which fights inflammation and supports cardiovascular health. For diabetics, this combination of benefits makes buckwheat a nutritional powerhouse. In the kitchen, buckwheat is as versatile as it is nutritious. Use it to make hearty porridges, or cook the whole groats and toss them into salads or grain bowls for a nutty, chewy texture. Love pancakes? Buckwheat flour is perfect for creating delicious diabetes-friendly versions of your favorite breakfast treat. You can even use it for soba noodles, a Japanese dish that's both comforting and wholesome. With its unique flavor, incredible versatility, and wide-ranging health benefits, buckwheat is the hero you didn't know you needed in your pantry. Give it a try. You'll wonder why you didn't discover it sooner. Number 3. Millet. Millet may be one of the oldest cultivated grains, but it's having a well-deserved modern comeback, and for good reason. This gluten-free grain is packed with nutrients that make it a fantastic choice for diabetics. Rich in fiber, millet slows down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream, preventing spikes and keeping your energy steady. It's also a great source of magnesium, which plays a crucial role in improving insulin sensitivity and regulating blood sugar. What's more, millet contains antioxidants and plant compounds that reduce inflammation, support heart health, and boost overall wellness. And with a naturally low glycemic index, it's an ideal addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Millet's versatility makes it incredibly easy to incorporate into your meals. You can cook it as a fluffy side dish to replace rice or pasta, transform it into creamy porridge for breakfast, or use it as a base for salads and grain bowls. Feeling creative? Try adding millet flour to baked goods for a nutty twist, or even turning it into veggie patties. With its mild, slightly nutty flavor and endless culinary possibilities, millet is an ancient grain that's here to stay. Make it part of your routine. You'll love how it supports your health without sacrificing taste. Number 2. Amaranth. Amaranth might be tiny, but its health benefits are anything but small. This ancient pseudograin, often overlooked, is a nutritional powerhouse that's perfect for diabetics. One of its standout features is its impressive protein content. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it a fantastic choice for balancing blood sugar and supporting muscle health. Amaranth is also loaded with dietary fiber, which helps regulate digestion and slow the release of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing spikes. Additionally, it's rich in magnesium, a mineral that enhances insulin function and contains antioxidants that fight inflammation, something diabetics need to manage carefully. In the kitchen, amaranth is wonderfully versatile. When cooked, its slightly earthy flavor makes it a perfect base for warm porridges or grain bowls. You can also use amaranth flour in baking to make breads, muffins, or pancakes. Feeling adventurous? Try popping amaranth like popcorn for a light, crunchy snack, or adding it to soups and stews for extra texture and nutrition. With its nutrient density, low glycemic index, and wide-ranging uses, amaranth proves that big things really do come in small packages. It's a smart and delicious way to take control of your blood sugar while enjoying wholesome, satisfying meals. Number 1. Teff. Teff might be small in size, but it's a giant when it comes to nutrition and health benefits. This ancient grain, native to Ethiopia, is packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients that make it an excellent choice for managing diabetes. What truly sets Teff apart is its abundance of resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that slows digestion and improves blood sugar control. Resistant starch acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and enhancing overall metabolic health. Teff is also rich in calcium, more so than most grains, which supports bone health, a critical factor for diabetics managing long-term wellness. Additionally, it's loaded with iron, which helps maintain healthy blood circulation and energy levels. With its naturally low glycemic index, Teff keeps blood sugar levels steady, making it a diabetes-friendly superstar. In the kitchen, Teff is incredibly versatile. Its mildly nutty, earthy flavor makes it a perfect base for porridge, or a creative addition to baked goods like bread, muffins, or cookies. It's also the key ingredient in injera, the soft and spongy flatbread that's a staple in Ethiopian cuisine. If you're looking for a unique grain that delivers on both flavor and nutrition, Teff is the ultimate hidden gem. There you have it, your ultimate guide to the top 8 grains for diabetics. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, your health journey doesn't have to be boring. With the right choices, it can be absolutely delicious. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who needs this info in their life. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.